Adobe Photoshop is also to create a motion graphic. In this video I wanted to you how to animate the object in Adobe Photoshop. I already have the document opened. There are two layers, one is an image and another one is the text, the sunshine. I want the text appear from behind the mountain from here to here. So, what we need to do is to mask the text so it will be invisible in some part of it. Now, select the image layer, then choose Lasso tool here on the left on the tool panel. Click and draw on the mountain range and also the tree here. The concept is to have the text appear behind the mountain and the tree. Click here to close the selection. While the selection is active, then click on the text layer. After that, click on the Add Vector Mask button on the bottom right. You can see now it creates a mask. Before you move the text you have to unlink by clicking this chain here, otherwise it will move everything. Come to the timeline panel here and place the play head about here. Select the text layer. Then click this twirly triangle to expand to see more options. On the transform dialog, click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Now we have one keyframe over here and we want another just about here. OK. Now change to selection, click on the sunshine text, move down here. You'll see there a keyframe created automatically. Let's press spacebar to preview it. The timeline is too long, let's make it shorter. It's too fast, I think. You can adjust the speed by moving these keyframes. You can play around till you're happy with it. You also can adjust the opacity. Let me show you. Place the play head here, then click the stopwatch to create keyframe. Now go to the layer panel on the right, then click on the opacity and slide to the left to have 0 value. Move the play head about here and adjust the opacity to 100%. You can preview it by press spacebar. Now you can see it fade from a 0 value to 100% visible. You always can adjust it later till you are happy with the result you are looking for. You also can change the transition linear interpolation to hold interpolation by right-click on the keyframe, then you can change it. Hit spacebar to preview it. When you are happy with the result, then you probably want to export it. Click on this button down here and choose Render Video. In the dialog box, you can set the format to H.264 and set the quality to high. In here you can locate the file when we export. I am OK with everything, then click Render. This will take few minutes based on the length of the project and capacity of your machine. When it finished you can find the file where you located it. Here it is. Let's play the file. If you think it is useful, then please share with others. Please hit subscribe button below, so you won't miss any videos when I upload them. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.